So we were discussing about second order derivative. So we have seen some simple examples yesterday. Second order derivative matlab derivative of the first order derivative. So we will do some more examples very fast. And this is the last topic because इसके बाद जो दो topic the mean value theorem and Rolle's theorem, that is not in your syllabus. So always keep a watch on the revised syllabus that I have sent to you. Okay, and study according to that only. See, y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. Question is to find the second order derivative. So first order derivative y dash. Derivative of a sum is a sum of the derivatives. So x square ka derivative 2x plus 3x ka derivative 3. So first derivative हो गया. Now उसका derivative y double dash. So which is equal to 2x का derivative 2 हो गया second derivative. अभी third derivative चाहिए तो second derivative का derivative of constant is 0 and it will go on. After second third derivative, if you find any derivative, the value will be 0 only. I hope you got the idea. Y is equal to x to the power 20. Y dash is equal to 20x to the power 90. Second derivative, uska derivative, it is 20 into, it is 19x to the power 18. So multiply kar dena, you'll get the answer. Y 3 dash, third derivative, 20 is there into 19 constant into x to the power 18 derivative is 18x to the power 17. It will go on. Y is equal to x into cos x. So first derivative. So you have to find the derivative first. That means you have to use the product rule. It's a product of two functions. So derivative first, derivative x is 1 into second, that is 1 into cos x plus first into derivative second, it is minus sin x. So what you got is, it is cos x minus x sin x. Now its derivative, second derivative. So difference of two functions. So derivative of the difference is difference of the derivatives. Cos x derivative is minus sin x, then minus, in bracket it is again product of two functions. You have to apply the product rule. So derivative first, derivative x 1 into derivative sin x, cos x, sorry, derivative first into second, that is sin x, plus first into derivative second, sin x का derivative cos x, that is minus sin x, minus से multiply करेंगे तो minus sin x minus x cos x. So if you take minus common, minus, this is 2 sin x, minus sin x minus sin x is minus 2 sin x, this was already minus बाहर आ गया, plus x cos x. So that's the concept of derivative, second derivative, like y is equal to log x, first derivative, y dash is equal to log x का derivative 1 by x. Second derivative, 1 by x का derivative minus 1 by x square. No, y is equal to e to the power x sine 5x. So first derivative. So derivative first into, that is e to the power x into e to the power x ka derivative e to the power x. Second plus first into derivative of second sine 5x ka derivative, sine x ka derivative cos x. So cos 5x into 5x ka derivative 5. So that is first derivative. Derivative first into second plus first into derivative second. Now second derivative. So you can see that it is sum of two functions. So derivative of a sum is a sum of the derivatives. So first term, against the product of two functions, you have to apply the product rule. So first into the derivative first into e to the power x derivative e to the power x into second plus first into derivative second cos 5x into 5. So इतना हो गया, इसका derivative हो गया first into derivative first into second plus first into derivative second, that much is finished. Then plus 5 is constant, you can take outside. Then again e to the power x into cos x, again product of two function, derivative first into second plus first into derivative second cos 5x minus sine 5x into 5. So this is equals e to the power x sine 5x plus 5 e to the power x cos 5x plus again 5 से multiply करेंगे तो 5 e to the power x cos 5x plus into minus minus 5 into 5 25 e to the power x sine 5x. So 5 e to the power x cos 5x plus 5 e to the power x cos 5x, that is 10 e to the power x cos 5x e to the power x sin x minus 25. So 1 minus 25, that is minus 24 e to the power x sine 5x. That's answer. And if you want to take 2 and e to the power x common, नहीं ये तो भी चलेगा, 2 and e to the power x common, then it is 5 cos 5x minus 12 sine 5x. That's the answer. Okay, so that's the concept of second derivative. Now I want to share some problems that we discussed yesterday. See, this is one of the problems that we discussed yesterday. Parametric form in the parametric form में function दिया है तो dy by dx, we know that dy by dx is equal to dy by dt into dx by dt. This is what we have seen yesterday. Then in this case, if you want to find second derivative, d square y by dx square, second derivative. When the function is given in parametric form, so what we have to do is we have to find the derivative of dy by dx of dy by dx. बट कल मैंने आपको ये बोला था इधर एक पॉइंट, as a note I have told you, when you find the second derivative in parametric form, the answer will always in terms of the parameter. That means the answer you will get in terms of the parameter only. So here आपको मिला था आंसर t square. In the first case में आपको मिला था t square. Second case में आपको मिला था b by a. So constant आ गया. So for finding the second, so we have to apply the chain rule there. Second derivative मतलब we have to find the derivative of the first derivative. But the first derivative in terms of t or whatever, either it is in terms of t, so you have to multiply with into, it is into dt by dx. ये बहुत ही important है. So many times student will forget this step. When you find the second derivative, so in this particular question here, for the first question, d square y by dx square is equal to derivative of dy by dx of dy by dx, that is t square, into dt by dx. So derivative of t square is 2t into dt by dx. dt by dx you will get from here dx by dt, take the reciprocal of that, that is dt by dx. So it is 1 by 4 a t. So this point you should keep in your mind when you find the second derivative in case of parametric differentiation. For finding the second derivative, you have to find the derivative of the first derivative, but first derivative in terms of parameter, then you have to multiply with the derivative of that parameter, that is why into dt by dx. And dt by dx इधर से मिलेगा, it is a reciprocal of dx by dt. So that is into 1 by 480. So you can see that 1 by tt cancel हो जाएगा, 2 and 4 cancel हो जाएगा, it is 2 and 1 by 2a. And the second question, it is like d square y by dx square is equal to d by dx of first derivative b by a into dt by dx. So either b by a is constant, so 0 into whatever it is. So you will get it is 0. dt by dx का नहीं तो इधर dt by d theta था, variable theta था, so it is dt by d theta. एक मिनट,
d theta by dx.
dx variable theta था, so derivative of theta with respect to x. dx by d theta इधर था आपके पास, which is minus a sin theta, so it's reciprocal 1 divided by minus a sin theta. So whatever it is 0 into anything, that will be 0 only. Okay. Okay. Now another question I want to share with you. सेम थिंग हियर देखो, x is equal to a into theta minus sin theta, y is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. So yesterday we found the value of dy by dx. So if you want to find the second derivative, d square y by dx square, which is equal to d by dx of derivative of first derivative, that is minus cot theta by 2 into d theta by dx. That is what yesterday I told you. If you simplify only up to this step, minus sin theta by 1 minus cos theta, what will happen is when you find the derivative of that, you have to apply the quotient rule and all those things. But once you simplify that, it is just one term, minus cot tangent theta by 2, you can easily find. So here, it is minus derivative of cotangent x is minus cosecant square x. So it is minus cosecant square x. X के जगह theta by 2 था, but x के जगह theta by 2 था, उसका derivative 1 by 2, then into d theta by dx. d theta by dx, dx by d theta का reciprocal, ये हो जाएगा 1 by a into 1 minus cos theta. So minus into minus हो जाएगा plus. So this becomes 1 by 4a, 2 into a. Then cosecant square theta by 2 numerator में है, denominator में 1 minus cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta के लिए आप यूज कर सकते थे 2 sin square theta by 2. कल मैंने वो substitution बताया था. So 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. ये सॉरी इधर 4a नहीं है, 2a, क्योंकि this 2 is theta by 2, angle का है. Don't confuse with that. It is just like cosecant square theta. It is just the angle theta by 2. So 1 by 2a, so minus into minus plus 1 by 2a cosecant square theta by 2 divided by 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. So it is, this equals 1 by 4a sin square theta by 2 numerator में जाएंगे तो cosecant square theta by 2 हो जाएगा. So this is cosecant to the power 4 theta by 2. Understood? So that is why yesterday when I found the derivative, first derivative, I simplified that minus sin theta by 1 minus cos theta and write it as a single term. So it will be beneficial when you find the second derivative. Okay. The same thing can be done with this question also. X is equal to a cos t plus log tan t by 2 and y is equal to a sin t. So we found the first derivative. If you want to find the second derivative, d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square is equal to d by dx of first derivative, which is tan t into variable is t, so dt by dx. So derivative of tan x is sec square x, so it is sec square t, and derivative of t with respect to x, dt. So इधर से हमें मिलेगा, so dx by dt हमें मिला था इधर ये cos square t by sin t, तो this will be इसका reciprocal, so sin t ऊपर आएगा, sin t divided by ये cos square t. So which is equal to 1 by a sin t, sec square t डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा तो cos square t हो जाएगा. नहीं तो you can take cos square t in the numerator. So you can say it is 1 by a sin t into sec to the power 4t. You can say like this. Okay. Now, then I want to discuss some particular type of questions. See, y is equal to 500 e to the power 7x plus 600 e to the power minus 7x. Question is, prove that d square y by dx square is equal to 49y. So there are some, okay, we'll do this anyway first. So you have to find derivative, first derivative, y dash. It is 500 into e to the power 7x derivative is e to the power 7x into 7 plus 600 into e to the power minus 7x derivative is e to the power minus 7x into minus 7. So which is equal to 3,500 e to the power 7x minus 7 into 6, 42, 4,200 e to the power minus 7x. Now, second derivative. So 3,500 into e to the power 7x into 7 minus 4,200 into e to the power minus 7x into minus 7. So this will become 7 into 3,500 is 24,500 e to the power 7x minus into minus plus हो जाएगा. 7 into 4,200 is 29,400 e to the power minus 7x. हमें proof करना this is equal to 49y. Just take 49 common. So you have to divide with 245 with 49, that is nothing but 5. 240, so it is 500 e to the power 7x plus 294 divided by 49. This will be 6 and 2 zeros, 600 e to the power minus 7x. And this is equal to 49. 500 e to the power x, it is 7x plus 600 e to the power minus 7x is y, it is given. So it is equal to y. Another type of question, like the same thing, y is equal to a into e to the power mx plus b into e to the power nx. Question is, prove that d square y by dx square minus m plus n into dy by dx plus m into n into y is equal to 0. So what you have to do is you have to find dy by d square y by dx square. You have to find dy by dx and substitute here. So first dy by dx, it's sum of two functions. So derivative is sum of the derivatives. So a into e to the power mx is derivative is e to the power mx into m. So am e to the power mx plus b into e to the power nx derivative is e to the power nx into derivative nx is n. Now second derivative of first derivative d square y by dx square. So a constant, m constant, e to the power mx derivative is e to the power mx into m, so it is m square, plus b into n constant, derivative is e to the power nx into n, that is n square. Now, substitute here. Left hand side, substitute in the left hand side. Left hand side is equal to d square y by dx square. So it is a m square e to the power mx plus b n square e to the power nx minus m plus n into dy by dx. dy by dx is a m e to the power mx plus b n e to the power nx plus m into n into y. Plus m into n into y is a e to the power mx plus b e to the power nx. So left answer, we just substitute back the value. So now this is equal to, तो फर्स्ट टाइम में कुछ करने के लिए कुछ नहीं है, it is a m square e to the power mx plus b n square e to the power nx, then m से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो minus m into, yes, that is minus a m square e to the power mx, again minus b m n into e to the power nx, m से मल्टीप्लाई किया अभी n से, minus a m n e to the power mx minus b n square e to the power nx, and again second time, third time mn into a, that is a mn e to the power mx plus b mn e to the power nx. Now we can see that a m square e to the power mx minus a m square e to the power mx cancel हो जाएगा, plus b n square e to the power nx minus b n square e to the power nx cancel हो जाएगा, इधर minus b m n e to the power nx, इधर plus b m n e to the power nx, वो दोनों cancel हो जाएगा, and इधर minus a m n, इधर plus a m n, वो भी cancel हो जाएगा, so सब cancel हो जाएगा, you will get 0. So that is what we need to prove, it is equal to 0. Another question, y is equal to tan inverse x the whole square. Show that x square plus 1 the whole square into y2 मतलब second derivative plus 2x into x square plus 1 into y1 मतलब first derivative is equal to 2. So there are two methods. एक method आप क्या कर देना, you have to find the derivative of means second derivative and first derivative, found it and substitute here, that you can do. But I will show you one more method. there is no need to find the second derivative and first derivative and substitute by always. You can use your own logic. See, first differentiate both sides. So you will get y dash is equal to, this is of the form x square form. So it is 2 tan inverse x square का derivative 2x. Then again, x के जगह tan inverse x था, उसका derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. So if you're going to use the derivative of this again, what will happen is again you have to apply the quotient rule and all those things. You will get the answer, but you can do one thing, just cross multiply. So you will get like this, 1 plus x square into y dash is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Now again, differentiate both sides with respect to x. So left side is a product of two functions. So derivative of first, that is 2x into second plus first into, so 1 plus x square into derivative second, y square ka derivative, y dash ka derivative, means first derivative ka derivative, second derivative. So first derivative first into second plus first into derivative second is equal to, right side 2 is constant, derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Again cross multiply. So it is 2 into x into 1 plus x square into y dash plus 1 plus x square into y double dash is equal to 2. So that is what actually you need to prove. ये पहले लिखेंगे. So 1 plus x square, the whole square is there. 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square is 1 plus x square, the whole square. So you can write this as, देखो x square 1 plus x square को x square plus 1 लिख सकते हैं, the whole square into y double dash मतलब second derivative. Then first term देखो it is 2 into x into 1 plus x square is x square plus 1 into y dash, means first derivative is equal to 2. So this is what you need to prove. So I say we have कर सकते. There is no need to, in some questions, there is no need to find first derivative, second derivative separately and then take the left hand side of the expression and substitute there. I say you can directly also you can do. Like here one example मैंने दिखाया, y is equal to tan inverse x the whole square. What I did is after finding the first derivative, I cross multiplied 1 plus x square. Then I differentiated both sides. So in effect, you got the same thing, what is to be proved. I hope you understand.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So like that, many questions are there. So maybe in the coming classes, we will do a few more questions from this chapter. And actually the syllabus is finished in this chapter because next topic is Rawls theorem and mean value theorem. That is not in your syllabus. And that UT1 will be based on the first 4 chapters. Timetable also, I think you got, all the Pune region schools are having the same timetable. Not the school based timetables, regional office से timetable आया था, मैंने group में डाला है कल. So उसी हिसाब से prepare कर देना. The first 4 chapters will be there for the exam. It will be multiple choice question only. 40 marks का question होगा. So जैसे आपने already एक test आपने already लिया था. So you are all familiar with that. ठीक है? So prepare well for the exam. Clear? And we'll discuss some more questions from this chapter in the next class, and then we'll move to the next topic, application of derivatives. Okay? All right, take care. All the best for the exam.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Yeah. Bye-bye. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.